Once your trunk weather stripping wears out or rots, water and moisture can get trapped inside, causing possible rust. When that happens, you'll want to replace it. You'll be happy you chose us for your restoration. Hey, I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 to 72 GM A-body trunk weather stripping channels. The channels install on each side of the trunk, connecting the trunk filler panel to the tail panel and allowing the weather strip a place to sit and seal. Each panel is manufactured from 20 gauge steel using case hardened steel tooling for accuracy and authentic fit. They feature the correct contours, mounting holes, and channels where applicable. At the end of the production line, each channel is finished with an electrodeposit primer, also known as an EDP coating. EDP coating is used to protect against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to prep and paint your part without worrying about potential rust. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.